How to apply home credit in Lazada. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to apply for home credit in Lazada so you can shop for your favorite products with easy payments. So first, open the Lazada app and log into your account using your credentials. Browse through the products on the homepage, and once you find something you want to buy, tap on it to view the details. Select the product's attributes like color and size, then tap on the Add to Cart button. Now, go to your cart and tap on the Checkout button. You will be asked to select your payment method. Then choose Home Credit as your payment method. If you haven't applied yet, you will be prompted to apply for Home Credit. Fill out the necessary details to apply for home credit. Make sure your personal information is accurate to avoid any delays. After submitting your application, you will receive a confirmation, and if approved, you can proceed with your order. And that's how you can apply for home credit on Lazada. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.